I'm going to show you exactly how I model a 3D room in SketchUp Free in 2 minutes. Okay, so here we're starting with a rectangle tool, and I'm just typing in my dimensions and drawing the rectangle the dimensions that I want it. And then using the offset tool to create walls on the outside, and I'm using the push-pull tool to bring my walls up to the height that I want them. Next, I'm opening up my material editor and painting my walls gray, and then I'm going to paint the floors with a wood texture. The nice thing is that you can always come back and change these. Now I'm opening up the 3D warehouse where I'm going to look for some components to add into my model. So since this is going to be a bedroom, I'm starting off with my bed, which is going to be the biggest piece of furniture in the room. After this, I'm just going to continue to grab components from the 3D warehouse and add them in where I want, position them, rotate them, scale them, basically just make this exactly how I want it to look. So next I'm just adding in a little side table, and I'm going to use my rotate tool because I want it facing the other way, and I'm going to use my move tool to place it next to the bed. Now that I have that looking pretty good, I'm going to go into my warehouse and look for a floor lamp to put in the corner. See how it just brings it straight in, and place it where I want it to go. Now that I have my furniture set up in there, I'm going to actually draw an area rug underneath my bed. So I'm just doing this by creating another rectangle on top of the floor that I already drew, and then I'm going to paint that new rectangle a different material. So here I'm just using a basic carpet material from the material editor. Now across the room I'm going to add a dresser, and I couldn't find exactly what I wanted, but I found something that was close to the size that I wanted, so I put it in and then I rotated it and moved it against the wall. You could also really easily change the color and materials within components that you download from the 3D warehouse. Next, I'm getting a TV to put above the dresser, and as you can see, the TV comes in huge, so I'm using my scale tool to make it a little bit smaller. And once I shift that around a little bit with my move tool and get it placed where I want, I am done with my room. Okay, if you're still here and feeling a little inspired but also a little lost, don't worry, I got you. First, I'm going to ask you to go download my free ebook called SketchUp 101, where I go through all the information that you need to know about SketchUp and also a video tutorial that goes through the interface so you can get started on the right foot. After that, if you're still feeling inspired and want to take it to the next level, I would encourage you to check out my courses. And make sure that you give me a follow if you want to learn more about how to use SketchUp.